the king out of Morocco. He is the number Ben Sadi. And he's here tonight to make
It's 3 minutes, 3 round, 5 round.
Will we have it scheduled for 5? We are in. What are you looking for early here?
Jamal has, which pace we're going to fight.
Yeah, I think Rico wants to use feint, that patience already.
Yeah.
A lot more feinting from the hands.
And look at the shoulders, look at the body, see what it. You should focus on the foot, what the foot is doing. Will he do something or he's just moving to move?
High guard. So another good shot.
Move away for free.
Setting.
Hey!
This is what Jamal.
Oh, and is that a knockdown? And a big left.
Yeah.
For Jamal.
Body
Escaped the first round to Rico. 2 to Jamal. Busted one even. 4, 6.
But he's still in the game. He's still in the game. He's not punch.
Jamal's leg is wide open. Busted open. Rico's
He should
right.
take his time. He should take his time.
I was just going to ask you, Jamal.
Rico, he's still there,
And Rico will get.
He caught him again with the right hand. Rico is damaged good.
Free will stop the fight,
The eye is swelling shut right before the damage on his eye. He can take this far. And he caught him straight with the right again.
Jamal.
It's a bloody mess. Jumel. The side of Rico's face is unrecognizable. Never have we seen Rico. Got to treat this like their last round, perhaps.
But if
How about the heart that
to get today?
Yeah, you can't keep Rico down. You have to put him out.
Get this from Jamal. Incredible stuff here in all.
In the game, he's fit because he shouldn't let him grow. He can keep going.
I love when Jamal throws.
Potter, if you're in Rico.
And take your time,
And how about
It's an amazing fight. He tried to put the fighter from distance, but man.
For Rico, that catches the Goliath in the corner. Fire back.
He has to keep looking. No, he has to keep.
Yeah, Jamal's
Got to get off the ropes.
Blowing down. Oh, shots for Jamal.
Yeah, he countered right out of his.
The referee has to give him more to stand. Second time.
Sushi gave him the warning.
But he's turning it towards the head.
Distance.
And he doesn't keep his hands high. Look at them.
But Jamal's hands are by his waist.
Yeah, he's really.
Big uppercut from Rico.
There it is.
Rico's.
Title fight, but we're only in the 3rd round.
Now it comes who got the bigger heart,
It's decided. Rico just
Shots and then one big power one back.
to lure him in. The belt.
This is like a Rocky fight. Apollo Creed. Right, dangling on the ropes.
A lot of fighting between the corner. I think that Dennis is freaking out.
Of Rico.
Fight.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe trying to give Jamal a few.
Needs to get control of this fight. Our referee.
That's the trick.
Yeah.
But
This fight.
One.
Rico's gonna. Instead of.
He's dangling over the ropes. They'll call this a knockdown.
7, 8. Okay.
That is it. The reign continues. Ballsiest performance we've ever seen from him tonight.
You gotta think a fight like that is a memorable one.
this is a fight that makes you feel. He was tired. He got tired. He gave a lot. And you see, he got gassed out after the 3rd. So. But the public, the audience, they were the great, and he did a great job, and both men did a great job. Now, and up to the next one.
So where does this leave Jamal Bin Sadiq going forward now?
Here, catching Rico, the power, splitting him going back. He just got to the new team. Let him get more comfortable with it.
For a couple of years, no, 2 years, I think. Now he didn't fight. Both guys did a great job. I enjoyed this fight.
Rico Glory founder and chairman Pierre Andara Timmers.
from you. Tell us what that fight was like.
Keep going. I said if your opponent shots and try to block him off. So if I, as long as I.
Wat zegt hij? Gezicht toont, komt niet overeen. God damn. Fuck.